Two systems, one purpose, only one winner. It's Vista versus traditional visitor management. Let's put them to the test. Meet Rahul. He's here for an important client meeting. He steps into the reception. The receptionist says, "Please fill out this logbook." Rahul replies, My pen isn't working." The receptionist hands him another one. "Now, please wait while I verify your details." Rahul checks his watch. 5 minutes gone. The meeting starts in 10. Now, imagine this instead. Rahul walks in, scans a QR code, and in 0.3 seconds, the gate opens. He's in. No waiting, no delays. Speed matters. Winner? Vista. Now, let's talk security. In the old system, Rahul could write any name in the logbook. Who's verifying? Nobody. A stranger could enter, and there'd be no way to verify. Vista changes the game. Every visitor is pre-approved or verified in real time. No fake names, no unauthorized entries. Only those who should be inside get inside. Rahul is now inside, but how does his host know? In the traditional system, the receptionist dials the host. No answer. Another call. Still no answer. The meeting starts in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, with Vista, the host gets an instant notification on their phone. Rahul has arrived. Approve, reject, or forward. One tap. Done. No calls, no receptionist delays. Just instant approvals. Speed? Vista is 90% faster. Security? Vista ensures 100% verified access. Ease of use? Vista eliminates delays and confusion. Why waste time with outdated methods? Upgrade to Vista today, because visitor management should be effortless.